Feb 21, 2026. Happy birthday, son. Our prayer is for our Lord to continue to bless you and the family with good health, prosperity, and for Jesus to always remain the center of our lives as all things come through faith in Him. We are so blessed to have a wonderful sister-in-law, daughter-in-law, wife, mother, aunt, friend, or just by being Susan to all that knows you over the years. And for that, we thank you, son, for all you have been to our family. Today, as you celebrate your 60th, birthday, know that we are thanking and praying for more birthdays and blessings to come your way. See you guys soon. Love you guys always, Lynette and Jamie.
Happy 60th birthday, mate. More birthday to come and always stay. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, son.
Happy birthday, Auntie Susan.
Dahan ka pa in. Damo pa nga birthday nga maabot ha imo nga. Damo pa nga blessing at maabot ka pa imo. Nga nagtigabata ka lang nagtikusay.
Happy birthday. Ingat ka mga da. Bye-bye.
Ingat ka mo nida.
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie Susan. Mabuhay!
Hi guys! Hello Auntie Susan! Happy 60th birthday po! Ang aking tiyahin na TikTokers, coolest and beautiful na tiyahin. Wish ko lang po Auntie sa inyo is stay good health, stay humble, stay beautiful, and more TikTok to come. Kasi alam mo naman, yan ang hilig mo eh. Pangtanggal ng stress, but that's good ante kasi syempre para naman ano lang tayo, chill lang ba sabi ko. But still, I hope you enjoy your day and see you soon ante. I love you, I miss you. Sana hindi po kayo magbago sa amin, lalo especially sa mga pamangkin mo po sa Pilipinas and especially sa mga pamangkin mo na sa iba't ibang bansa din. And miss you so much. I love you. Kurasang. Bye-bye, ante. See you soon. Oh, diba? Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, mommy. Hey, 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 hey. Happy birthday, mommy. Hey, hey, happy birthday, mommy. Hey, hey, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, mommy.
mahaba pang
Sana
buhay.
mababang buhay. Magampo kita katas-ay sa mga Panginoon. Salamat sa mga sa iyong birthday.
Sana marami pang birthday
Blessing.
blessing.
Birthday Ate Susan. Sana maupit mga lawas lagi ha. Mahalaba. Kinabuhi.
Hi, Ate Susan! Happy 18th birthday! Gusto mo yan na. Gusto mo yan, 18. In fairness ha, hindi halatang edad kasi mukha pa rin po talaga kayo 18 years old kasi ang fresh ng inyong face. Ayan, wala pa rin ka scanner. Pag pinagtabi po tayo, feeling ko ako po yung magiging tita. Gano'n lang. Ganun. Well, ayun na nga, Ate Susan. Happy birthday. And we're very thankful that na meron kaming Auntie Susan. Meron kaming groovy Auntie Susan. Meron kaming a very kind Auntie Susan. And yun po kayo lahat eh. Wala po kami masabi na bad about sa inyo kasi sobra po talagang bait niyo sa amin lahat. And masasabi ko lang po na ikaw po yung second mom namin lahat, hindi lang sa amin kasi dahil wala nga si mama, sa amin lahat ng pamangkin mo, kayo po ang naging second mom namin. And ayun nga po, stay healthy kayo ni Uncle Ross and si ayun nga po. Ayun, happy birthday, masyado na po mahal. I love you. Saka sukan daw.
Susan mo, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Pam pam.
Bye. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Mami Susan. Thank you for your love, patience, and endless support. I'm grateful for you. And may God bless you with a good health and long life. We love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Mami.
Salamat sa walang sawang suporta at pagmamahal. At sana maka-uwi ka na kasama ko at makabawi naman ako or makapag-treat naman sa'yo. At more birthday. And yun, enjoy always. Good health.
Yes, stay happy and young at heart. I wish you good health and also to be jolly every day. Yun lang. Enjoy the rest of your day. We love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ate Susan. Happy 60th birthday sa imo. Yan, long life. Tagan si mo pa nga lawas. Palagi mo kinabuhi. Yan. Salamat sa nga tanan. Sa nimo suporta sa amon. Nga tanan sa labi na sa napon. Isa ng aking mga anak. Thank you sa imo, te. Happy birthday. And more birthdays to come. Salamat.
Hello, Ate Susan. Happy birthday. Sana mo sa isintang edad. Ikaw ulan akon nga ginikanan nga nagkuhan sa akon. Nagkuhan sa mga anak gihapon. Nagatiman. Salamat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, te. Thank you sa tanan. Sa di mga bulig sa amon, sa Unique Kuya Lucilier. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ate Susan. So, happy Valentine's gihapon, belated. So, I wish you more birthdays to come and the best of health and then more success in future careers and sana malampasin mga future na trials at saka mga endeavors. Tapos, wishing you all safety always at saka God bless to you all. So, happy birthday once again And sana ma-enjoy mo po yung birthday mo po, at saka hindi lang yung birthday mo po actually, pati din yung entirety ng year. So, God bless.
Happy birthday. Wish ko po kay good health and sin daw pang birthday abot blessings. Sana po magbakasyon ka mo. Miss na namon ka mo dito sa Amalad Tami. Happy birthday Otro and see you soon.
Hi Ate San, happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Susan. May you have many more birthdays to come to celebrate. And sana tagang kapahin damo nga grasya, blessings, and maupay nga panlawas. And kalinaw ang pugos na pamilya. Salamat.
Son, happy birthday, more blessings and good health to come. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, son. Happy son. Son, pera natimidad, son. Sana, son. Ini sila tili sa kay. Sige tawa sa, sige pa-joke sa. More birthdays to come, son. More happiness in life. More blessings to come and good quality of life. Happy birthday, Susan. Yan, son. Alam mo. Happy kami didi, son. Happy birthday ulit, son. Bye-bye.
Hi Susan, happy birthday. Damo pa nga birthday, mabuthay mo nga tagan kapahin maupay nga panlawas. Damo nga grasya at mabut pa ha iyo nga family. Happy birthday. Love, love. Bye.
Susan, happy birthday to you. And many happy returns of the day. Susan, itakon birthday sa imo. Butan nga daughter-in-law na magkamayada ka mo si pamilya. Happiness, long life, and good health. Ikaduha, huwag maupay iyong mga trabaho dito sa Amerika. May God bless you all. Happy birthday, Susan. Amo lang ang akong birthday wish sa inyo.
Today we celebrate a queen so kind, with gentle hands and a loving mind. Through every storm you stayed so strong. With you, Mommy, is where we belong. You light our home like the morning sun. You're our blessing, our number one. Happy birthday, Mommy Susan. You're the heart of our family's reason. Your love shines bright in everything you do. Mommy Susan, we all love you. could give the world to you, it still wouldn't be enough, it's true.